Good morning. Good morning. This is Dave Johnson with Day Trade the Markets. Today is Thursday, November the 3rd, 2016. Just been filled short here at 2089.25. We've had a very quiet day so far in the E-mini S&P. You can see over here that it opened around here, uh, went up just a little bit, up roughly at 98, and then down about 92 or so. And then we finally have broken lower here. And we're about 3 hours into the trading day, so we're finally getting some movement lower. I'm going to go ahead actually and place another order to sell to here at 90. So I'm going to try and get short 4 of these. The market continues to show its bearishness. Our next objective is towards the 87 area, so it doesn't have a real lot of room to move, but I certainly think that that level can be breached, and to get further down movement. So I'll go ahead actually and just put in a arrow here around the 87 level as our next objective. So that's actually 87.25, so I'll just put that there so we've got that as a notation. 89 and a quarter. We'll just leave it like that for now. I do need to go ahead, of course, and put in a protective buy stop. Hopefully the market will pop up and get us filled here, in which case we'll be short too, and then I'll put my stop a couple of ticks above this most recent bounce high at 90.75. Put in a buy stop right here at 91.25. So buy stop for 4 right there. And that's about it for now. So I'll pause the recording and pick it up as the market dictates. Okay, I'm just resuming the recording here. I'm going to go ahead, because this is our first objective down here at 87.25, I'm going to go ahead and just buy one contract back. We're only short 2, but that is the objective. So it's just a 2-point objective, but I think it's prudent to go ahead and do that, take a profit, because it could very well hit there and give us a bounce. We don't want to get stopped out or anything like that. So just go ahead and the other thing I think I'm going to do at this point is cancel this order here to sell these other 2, and I will adjust the stop here down to just above where the market had last bounced before it started this most recent wave of selling. And I also need to change the amount of contracts there down to 2, of course, because on this particular trade we're only short 2. So just go ahead and put in a marker here. Let's make one of these. We can go ahead and put one down in here, and then our stop is here for now, and just another one here. This is where we're short from. So we've got everything in place, and okay, it just hit our price, so we should get filled on that any moment here. Okay, there we go, just got filled. So I'm going to go ahead and reduce this stop amount down to just 1, because we're only short 1 contract now, and I'm going to put that right down here to break even. So there we go for that trade, and hopefully we can get some additional movement lower here on this. There's no real target below here for some time, or for some distance, and so we'll just use a trailing stop on this, and we'll take it from there. So when we go ahead and adjust the stop again or get stopped out, I'll go ahead and restart the recording. Otherwise, I'll go ahead and put it on pause right now. Okay, just resuming the recording here. It did continue down, but just very, very quickly here in the last couple of minutes, it's bounced right up off the low, moved from 85 and a quarter right up here to 88.75, so nice little bounce. Our stop is keeping us in the trade for the time being, although I just wanted to bring the recording up to date, because obviously coming within 2 ticks of being stopped, it's could very well get us stopped. So just bringing you up to date on that, and I'll go ahead and pause the recording. Okay, restarting the recording again. It came within a tick the previous time we took a look at it, and then it backed off a couple of points or so. Actually, what did it move from? Almost 3, from 89 to 86.25. Now it's right back up to that resistance area. So we've got our stop in place. I'm just letting this one go because I'm still of the view that we could have a pretty nice leg lower, but then again it could get stopped out. So with just the 2 contracts on this trade, just decided to let the second contract just go as a break even, and we'll let it go as that. But just wanted to bring you up to date that the market had dipped and it's right back up. So obviously we're in jeopardy of being stopped here, as it's once again just come within a tick of our stop. So the first trade, or the first half of the position, I should say, did reach our 2-point objective. So that's what we're sitting at right now, is a 2-point gain on the first half of the trade, no worse than a break even on the second half of this position. So anyway, that's it for now. And I'll go ahead. Oh, there we go. We just got stopped on that. So here's our stop right here. So that's our entry price. So that's it. Didn't get the follow through, but so 2 points on the first half and 0 on the second half on this particular trade. Thanks for watching, and we'll